In May 2022, the average price of sunflower oil surged to Rs 180 and 250 per litre. This is a massive leap considering the price was on an average of Rs 98 per litre across brands in February 2019. Edible oil prices in India have also surged 70% on year and about 20 to 30% month on month. So, why is there a sudden rise in prices? It is not just in India, but cooking oil prices have been globally rising since the COVID-19 pandemic. Many reasons for this surge include poor harvests in South America to pandemic-related labor shortages, along with a steady increase in demand from the biofuel industry. But the real crisis began when Russian troops invaded Ukraine in February 2022. Russia and Ukraine account for 60% of sunflower oil production and exports in the world. India consumes about 25 million tons of edible oil each year, of which it imports about 60%, making it the largest importer of edible oils in the world. The ongoing Ukraine-Russia conflict has disrupted India's edible oil market, which gets more than 90% of its sunflower oil from those two countries. Sunflower oil is an important part of the Indian consumer market and accounts for 16% of total cooking oils being imported. While in the past few years, the Indian government has been trying to increase the production of domestic edible oil, sunflower cultivation has actually declined. In the last 30 years, India's cultivation of sunflowers has declined by 90%. The lack of availability of good quality seeds and increased irrigation arrangements in rain-fed areas were the two main reasons why sunflower cultivation had come down drastically. Around 70% of the sunflower that India imported came from Ukraine, while 20% came from Russia. What has made the situation worse for the Indian consumer is the lower availability of other edible oils internationally. Vegetable oil supplies have decreased because of Indonesia's decision to restrict palm oil exports. Indian Agriculture Ministry officials at meetings held in April 2022 decided to work towards increasing the acreage of sunflowers, increasing the minimum support price or MSP, and making good quality seeds available to farmers. But in the meantime, Indian consumers will have to pay a huge price as the war continues and the supply chains of other edible oils remain disrupted.